All right, working on the buggy in the shop tonight. Figured I should throw together a quick update video as it's been a little while. I've been out wheeling, but I've been pushing the limits of the buggy, pushing the limits of my driving, and really just trying to cover ground at high speed and see what this thing will put up with. But I'm continually finding some problems related to the crash that I had at the sand dunes. Stuff that, you check and it looks good. You check torque specs, everything, and then you hit a tree and everything blows apart, but it shouldn't with how light you hit stuff. So I think there's just some parts in here that have been fatigued, and we're finding those problems, but I'm glad to be finding them on some of these closer wheeling trips rather than traveling across the country and finding them somewhere else. So just this last trip down to Wellsville, I didn't really record much of it, but I ended up having some problems with the rear drive shaft and as well as a shock. I had a shock shaft break at the bottom, first time that's ever happened to me. So when the shock shaft came down, it tugged on my brake line, and I lost brake pressure climbing a rock hill. So the shaft up there, I pushed it up in so that it wouldn't hit anything else on the way out of the woods, but it was dangling down here in the rocks, caught a rock, pulled it, and ripped the brake line. Luckily I carry spare brake lines, so that wasn't a big deal. Fixed that up and got some brake fluid, and everything went good. So now I ordered a new shock. It just came in. Props to Wide Open Design. These guys keep all these rad flows in stock, so that thing came quick. I just ordered a emulsion shock. Since the top hat is the same, I'm going to move my reservoir over to it, and I'll be back in business with the shock. As far as the rear drive shaft goes, I was feeling this little bit of clunky binding, and I had a U-joint failure in the CV, so I had to cut that sucker out of there. It was fighting me. But everything else looks decent on it, so we're going to reassemble that thing with some new U-joints, and picked up some new spicers, and going to throw this all back together. Hopefully we'll be back in action for this weekend. But been finding all kinds of issues with this thing. Recently I ripped off a high steer arm. Hit a stump at like maybe 25-30 miles an hour, I think. It wasn't anything crazy. It hit it with the side of the tire, and once again I think all the studs must have been fatigued from a previous hit. So I changed all of them. It ripped off all 5 of these studs up here. They're 1/2 inch, and then this 3/4 inch bolt, it broke that too. This thing was all dangling down here. Had to rig something up to get it out of the woods. Drove it out and ordered a whole bunch of parts and fixed it up. But pushing this thing as hard as I can, and finding any weak points that are left. And we're going to be ready to hit the trail again soon. It's almost Labor Day, and I'm looking forward to a fun weekend there. But I'm going to keep working on this thing, and I'll talk to you guys soon.